29 years in the business. And we are turning 30 years next year. Kaya congratulations also Nia Life Philippines. Ganyan katagal na tayo. And trusted by millions of satisfied customers and business partners. Kaya tayo tumagal. Because we have our satisfied customers and business partners who is working with us to propel this business. Together, we will end the trend of poor health and financial stress. So it all started with a dream by Mr. Jerry Brasfield. Gusto talaga ni Mr. Jerry Brasfield na makatulong din ng mga individuals, especially sa kanilang health. Kasi when Jerry was growing up, medyo masakitin siya. He has a severe asthma, severe allergy. And then, nung paglaki niya, naisip niya, why not create a company that could help a lot of people, especially sa kanilang mga health needs at nutritional gaps. That's why he founded Neolife International to help those individuals. Now, right now, since we have a very powerful product, ang ginawa naman ni Jerry Brasfield is, paano kaya kung bigyan natin ng rights ang mga tao to sell our products? Doon niya na-come up ang idea of making a lot of distributors across the world that could distribute our products. And later on, ito nga, naging multi-billion dollar company na tayo, which is Neolife International, kasi lumaki din talaga ang business natin at widespread all over 50 countries worldwide. Our mission at Neolife, we give everyone the power to live a healthier and happier lives. Paano naman natin ma-enjoy ang ating buhay kung hindi na tayo healthy? That's why yan talaga yung goal ng lahat. I know lahat sa atin right now in the call, ang goal talaga is to be healthy. Yan talaga. Values of Neolife, the values natin is absolute integrity. Lahat ng mga sinasabi natin ay pawang katotohanan lamang and it is based from our experiences. And always people are number one. Always yan. Kasi, tumagal tayo dito sa business na to because of the people that are working with us, who believed in our products and in our business. That's why we are here, because of our distributors. Products that works. We offer you products that works. Para naman, hindi kayong mahiyang i-share ang ating products, ang ating business sa lahat ng tao na kakilala nyo and also you may not know na magiging business partners nyo soon. We have a long-range vision which will really help you start up your business kahit nagsisimula ka pa lang, and then later on, hindi mo mapansin pag marami na ding mga users sa business mo, nako, lalaki at lalaki ang business mo. And we offer equal opportunity for all. Okay? Hindi kailangan maging doktor, engineer, rocket scientist para mag-start lang ng business na to. Ang kailangan nyo lang is to be 18 years old and above and has the grit to do this business. Yan lang. Okay? So what we are about, we are for better health talaga. Yan talagang number one with Neolife para maging healthy tayo. For more income, lalo na ngayon, kailangan natin ng extra income sa inflation, sa mga bilihin na meron ngayon na nagmamahala na. We are for fun naman. Siyempre, we offer travel, trips, community that will help you have fun. Enjoy nyo yung life nyo with the help of your business partners and also your friends who are using the products also. This is more of a personal development side also because we could teach you on how to share the business and also yung science behind ng ating products. This is a purpose impact business kasi sooner or later marami ka ding matutulungan ng mga individuals, especially sa kanilang health needs and also sa kanilang financial needs. Kaya nakakatulong talaga when you start doing the business properly. And take note, itong business na to, this will not end on you. Tulad nung ginawa ni Jerry Brasfield right now, pinapasa niya na yung baton ng business sa kanyang anak. With this business, with Neolife business, pwede din gawin ng second generation nyo ang business na to. It will not end at you. As long as they know how to do the business and share the products and share the business, nako, lalaki at lalaki pang business nito at hindi ito hihinto. Ayan. Ayan. So please meet the drivers behind our excellence, our scientific advisory board. Ang scientific advisory board natin, well, from the word itself, consist of all scientists. At iba't ibang field to sila. May food scientist, biochemist, researchers, nutritional scientists, sports scientists, mga formulator, and also health practitioners and food technologies, lahat to sila are part of our scientific advisory board. But the number one founding member of our scientific advisory board is si Dr. Arthur First. Sino naman si Dr. Arthur First? Well, to tell you, Dr. Arthur First is the one who first discovered the oral chemotherapy. Now ngayon, since si Dr. Arthur First, he knows that anong nangyayari sa isang individual once they undergo chemotherapy. Di ba usually when you undergo chemotherapy, nangyayari is hair fall, namumutla ka, pale ka, nanghihina ka, wala kang lakas, parang bagsak talaga ang buong katawan mo. That's why Dr. Arthur First created products that will help us through our nutrition, through the cells. Kaya nag-focus siya ng mga products that will help our cells to be healthy, which we call now is cellular nutrition. We are the pioneers of cellular nutrition. Neolife and our scientific advisory board created this nutrition to help you recover, regenerate, and protect your cells. So let me explain further regarding cellular nutrition. Pag-usapan muna natin ang ating health. Okay, let me show you a graph with this will show us kung saan ba tayo right now sa ating health. So ang 0 to 100% represents your health status. Kung gaano ka healthy right now. The 0, 25, 50 and 75 shows your age. Okay? Kung anong edad tayo right now, okay? So may tatlong levels ang ating health. Kung nasa peak performance tayo ng ating body, that's what we call the vibrant health. Healthy tayo. Pag nasa middle tayo, performance ng ating katawan, ito yung tired zone. Madali kang mapagod. Okay, wala kang lakas. At ang pinakababa ng ating health zone, which is the sick zone, which means dito yung portion na parati ka ng masakit, may maintenance ka na, kasi nga, nasa sick zone ka na. Now ngayon, as we age, pababa ng pababa ang ating health. Agree ba kayo dyan? Most of us, pag tumatanda, ganyan din, bumabagsak din ang ating health. Ayan. So pagbagsak ng ating health, anong nangyayari? Nako, nagsisimula na tayong madaling mapagod, tired zone. At ang pinaka-worst pa dyan, nagsisimula nang lumabas ang ating mga sakit-sakit. Kasi nandito na tayo as we age. Pero did you know, some of the people right now, kahit pagtanda na nila, healthy pa sila. 'Di ba? Kahit 60 na sila, 70 na sila, kung makita nyo sila, uy, why are you still looking young? Bakit ang bata mo pa tignan? Bakit ang healthy mo pa? 'Di ba? Meron talagang ganyang individuals. Ano kaya ang sikreto nila? Yan yung question natin usually. Uy, anong ginagawa mo? What are you taking? Ano bang meron? Usually, ganyan tayo magtanong once may nakita tayong isang individual na parang, uy, she's looking young. She's looking pretty. But parang hindi ka tumanda? Anong sikreto? Di ba ganyan tayo? So, there's a secret on how they were able to maintain their health. Okay? So ano-ano tong mga, hindi naman to sikreto. Actually, ginagawa natin. Pero we do not commit lang to focus on these three. We have three. First is rest. Alam nyo ba, those individuals that has at least 6 hours to 8 hours of sleep every day helps their body regenerate. Kasi through sleep or rest, doon nagre-regenerate ang ating katawan. Kaya importante ang rest. Pero right now, syempre busy tayo, marami tayong ginagawa. Nahuhulog, pag uwi natin, late pa tayo matulog kasi manonood pa tayo ng mga favorite telenovela natin, Korean novela, di ba? So nakukulangan tayo sa rest. At ang pangalawa, ang pinaka-importante also, kailangan ng exercise. Kailangan ng ating katawan ang exercise. Mahalaga to. At least 30 minutes a day. And also, ang pinaka-importante is the diet. Kailangan binabantayan din natin ang mga kinakain natin. Make sure na tama, healthy foods ang kinakain natin because through diet, this is where we could help our 73 trillion cells to 100 trillion cells yan to be fed, repaired, renew, and be protected. That's through diet alone. Kaya mahalagang minomonitor natin ang diet natin. So, ito yung ginawang products ng ating scientific advisory board to help us with those diets, with the nutritional needs of our body. All of our Neolife products are based in nature and backed by science, created by doctors and scientists, and whole food-based cellular nutrition to. Okay? This is non-GMO and full traceability products, and we have clinically proven human clinical studies that confirms that our products really work. Sa ating mga products dito are Pro Vitality, Tray, Neolife Shake. Right now, let me introduce to you our marketing manager, Miss Joy Bakay, who will be sharing with us kung ano pa bang mga specific needs ng ating mga working mothers na parating pagod on their daily life, and also ano pang kailangan nila to help them survive the whole day. Yan ang tamang term, survive the whole day. So let us all welcome our marketing manager, Miss Joy Bakay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Joy Marie Bakay, Marketing Manager of Neolife International Philippines. Please look forward to today's topic as we are going to talk about the important nutrients for working moms. Let's begin. Being a mother is a full-time job. Hindi sila nakakatanggap ng sahod, and they work for excessive long hours. So ano pa ba ang mas mahirap sa pagiging mother? How about being a working mom? Balancing motherhood and work take a lot of skills, time, and energy, leaving moms with little time to care for themselves. According to a survey by the Working Mother Research Institute, 44% of working mothers do not get the time to sit down and eat properly. Shocking statistics reveal that the average working mom only spends about 3 minutes and 15 seconds eating breakfast and often eats it standing up. Because of their hectic schedule, mothers face multiple challenges that impact their nutrient intake. Una, napakakonti ng oras and ang daming gagawin. Pangalawa, stress. Pangatlo, hindi makakain sa tamang oras. Pang-apat, wala sila masyadong impormasyon na kailangan nila tungkol sa tamang pagkain. Pang-lima, hindi nila alam ang impact ng madalas na pagkain ng mga convenience foods or yung mga mabilisang naluluto. Pang-anim, wala masyadong oras para magluto ng mga masustansya at mga pagkain niluto sa bahay. At huli, ang madalas ng pagkain sa labas. Paano ang isang working mom makakasigurado na makukuha niya yung kailangan niyang nutrients mula sa diet o sa araw-araw na kakainin niya? Paano naman ang Neolife makakatulong sa ating mga working moms para matugunan itong kanilang mga nutrient needs? So tingnan muna natin ano yung mga importanteng nutrients na kadalasan ay hindi nakukuha ng mga working moms sa kanilang regular diet. Number 1, protein and muscle maintenance, immune system support, and metabolic functions. Pag hindi ka nakakuha ng protein sa iyong diet, it can lead to fatigue, pagkapagod, current colds, mood swings, and muscle weakness. So anong solusyon ng Neolife sa kakulangan ng protein? We have Neolife Shake. It is available in rich chocolate and creamy vanilla. It is a delicious and convenient protein shake that can help satisfy hunger while giving you energy. It's clinically proven. The formula is based on our clinically proven glycemic response control technology to help minimize fat storage and promote fat burning. Pangalawa, it has protein proprietary blend. It contains a scientifically advanced protein blend na gawa sa soy, milk, caseinate, and whey for a superior amino acid profile with a PDCAS score of 1.73. PDCAS, or Protein Digestibility Corrected Amino Acid Score, is a method of evaluating the quality of protein in the food based on the amino acid requirements of human and yung ability nila to digest that protein. The highest possible score of protein in a diet is 1. So this is an indication that the protein provides at least 100% of all amino acids required in a given diet. Fiber. The Neolife Shake provides 5 grams of fiber per serving, and it comes from whole food sources to promote satiety, normal digestion, and heart health. Plus, Neolife Shake absolutely has no artificial sweeteners, colors, or preservatives. Ang ating Neolife Shake is biologically complete, meaning it has all 22 amino acids, including yung 9 essential ones. So, ano nga ulit yung amino acids? They are needed for protein synthesis, yung paggawa ng protein, and tissue repair, as well as nutrient absorption. The Neolife Shake provides energy, glycemic edge, carbohydrates. So, it gives you a steady supply of energy. So, dahan-dahan lang ang pag-release ng energy sa inyong katawan para manatili ito sa fat burning mode. Kaya nakakatulong ito sa pag-control ng ating weight. Ang pangalawang nutrient na kailangan ng ating mga working moms are healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids are vital for brain health, hormone balance, and inflammation reduction. They also aid in the absorption of vitamins A, D, E, and K. So ano naman ang Neolife solution para matugunan ang pangangailangan ng healthy fats such as omega-3 fatty acid ng ating mga working moms? Our solution is the Omega-3 Salmon Oil Plus. It's a formula of ultra-pure concentrated fish oil with all 8 omega-3s to support heart health, joint comfort, and inflammation balance. So ano ng mga meron sa ating Omega-3 Salmon Oil Plus? It's complete. Sa bawat 3 soft shell serving, nagbibigay ito ng standardized amount of 8 naturally occurring omega-3 fatty acids important to human nutrition. This allows the member of the omega-3 family to work together as nature intended, optimizing the benefits of the natural salmon oil. It's ultra pure, so we use only the highest quality fish from the pristine North Atlantic waters. The proprietary molecular process concentrates beneficial omega-3s using cold processing. And the result, it even exceeds the most rigorous global safety standards with zero tolerance philosophy. Ibig sabihin, makasigurado kayo na ang ating omega-3 salmon is free from mercury and lead. Yung sophisticated process also helps reduce fishy taste and smell. Omega-3 fatty acid support the optimal function of body tissues and organs, so notably the heart, blood vessels, brain, nerves, eyes, skin, and joints. It's also clinically proven. So Omega-3 Salmon Oil Plus has been clinically tested in humans, and the results have been published in some of the world's most prestigious scientific journals. So some of these studies show that the Omega-3 Salmon Oil Plus is readily absorbed para ma-maximize for use ng ating katawan. It has shown to reduce triglycerides by 17%. It improves the Omega-3 index by 38%, and it improves the ratio of Omega-3s to Omega-6 fatty acids by 43% in 8 weeks. Another study has shown that it also promotes a healthy balance of pro and anti-inflammatory factors. So it lowers the inflammatory index by 68% in just 8 weeks. You might be asking, why is a lowered inflammatory index important? Remember that chronic inflammation is one of the leading causes of chronic diseases. So, pag mas inflamed yung katawan nyo, malaki ang chance na mas madami kayong sakit. So, vitamin C is a potent antioxidant, and it's essential for immunity, collagen synthesis, and overall health. So, ang deficiency ng vitamin C can make our skin more fragile. So, you may notice bleeding gums, and your hair may grow in bent or coiled shapes. Lack of vitamin C can also be the cause of slow healing wounds. So Neolife has chewable vitamin C, known as All-C. So this tablet is the equivalent of 4 oranges, and it helps support immunity. It's delicious. The delicious cherry-flavored chewable tablet appeals to kids and adults alike. And the essential nutrient, vitamin C, plays an important role in maintaining the health of connective tissue, blood vessels, immune system, eyes, gums, teeth, bones, and other tissues and organs. Vitamin C, ano nga ba ito? This is an antioxidant that helps protect body fluids and watery portion of cells from free radical damage. The fourth nutrient needed by working moms is zinc. We all know that zinc is crucial for immunity, wound healing, and mental well-being. And if you're not getting enough of this from your diet, you may experience symptoms such as hair loss, lack of alertness, and reduced sense of taste and smell. Aside from zinc, another important nutrient needed by working moms is iron. This is a necessary component of the blood and is lost during each menstrual period. So having adequate iron is vital for preventing anemia and ensuring overall vitality. What is the Neolife solution to getting zinc and iron? It's Formula 4. It is more than just a multivitamin and mineral supplement. It is the first multi-factor food supplement of Neolife that provides vitamins and related food factors, minerals, as well as lipids and sterols. So this supplement delivers a wide array of vitamins plus important minerals. And it also contains tren and grain concentrates, which provides rich sources of essential lipids and sterols important for cellular health. So it helps your body to absorb the nutrients properly, and it also helps your body to get rid of waste properly. Being a mother is indeed a full-time job, and for those who have additional roles such as managing your business or reporting for an 8-to-5 work, we would like to introduce Neolife to you. We are a global nutrition company that offers health solutions to different needs, like for working moms. So you can still do all your responsibilities while Neolife will look after your nutrient needs with ease. For those who would like to learn more about our Neolife products, please visit our website www.neolife.com and click Philippines. Thank you and have a nice day.